got Shelby punched in. He pissed in one of the ice buckets in the back.
Hey, Sergeant, I'm Chicago Police. Just so you know, man.
Chicago Police officer.
I don't give a back up.
You're going to jail for disorderly conduct. You can't be drunk, piss in ice buckets, yell at security.
Piss in ice buckets? I'm a fucking Chicago fucking police officer. Are you fucking kidding me?
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Just after the midnight hour in December of 2022, the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office received a distressing 911 call.
911, what is the address of the emergency?
This is Jimmy Beach Corner. We have a hostile left. We got a hide. He's going crazy right now.
For no clear reason, the dispatcher became annoyed and upset.
Any weapons involved?
Yeah, can you hurry up coming right now?
Weapons involved?
No, he's just a really big dude. Can you hurry up and get the cops here right now?
Has he been drinking or doing any drugs?
Yeah, I'm sure he's been doing both. Now he's going out the front to the beach corner.
Okay. Who was he fighting with?
The people that work here.
Okay, do you see deputies?
No, not yet. Are they coming yet?
Do you see them, sir?
What?
Is anyone injured?
No,
Okay.
he's pushed us a couple times. He put his hands on us. Now he's pushing his girlfriend, beating up on his girlfriend.
Who's he walking with?
His girlfriend.
Sir, describe her to me.
Blonde hair, about petite, about 5'6".
Eventually, deputies arrived on scene and met with the caller.
He went through here. He went through here with his girl, but they went onto the beach. Yeah, right where that shot is, that's where we went.
Okay, all right. What happened, Jermaine?
He got Shelby.
Huh?
He got Shelby punched in. He pissed in one of the ice buckets in the back.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can you come? You got hey, Jermaine. Point this motherfucker out for me, bro.
As the first deputies to arrive looked for the suspect, more deputies arrived on scene.
Chasing after, that's what I'm saying. You know where they're fighting. They're chasing on the beach.
After searching the beach, they spot their suspect.
Yeah, there he is. Yep, that's him.
That's him right there.
That's his girlfriend. There he is. He's running.
Is he really running? Oh.
It doesn't take long for the deputies to catch up.
Hey, you're gonna get tased! Hey, if I get you, you're gonna get fucking tased! Hey, you're gonna get fucking tased! Get the fuck on the ground! Both of you on the ground! Right the fuck down! Get on the ground! Yeah!
I'm a Chicago Police officer.
I don't give a fuck! I'm a piece of shit!
Henry Capuch appears to think that identifying himself as a Chicago police officer should earn him a favor with Florida law enforcement after urinating in an ice machine and assaulting two of the bar's staff members. And when he doesn't get his way, he is immediately combative with the arresting officers. But before we continue, the longest sponsor of the channel is Ekster. They've reimagined the traditional wallet by adding a feature to fan out your cards with the click of a button. Then they added an expandable metal backplate that allows you to carry more while keeping a slim profile. Ekster just released a limited edition Parliament made from premium Italian Saffiano leather. They also added 3 new versions that are made with space-grade aluminum. The Eclipse absorbs light during the day and radiates a soft, mesmerizing glow when night falls, while the Midnight and Astral versions were inspired by the colors of the Milky Way. And each style of wallet has a variety of colors to choose from, including this ultralight 3K carbon fiber, a carbon forged model, and of course, the 18-karat gold card holder. You can also add a solar-powered tracker card to any version to make it nearly impossible to lose. If you can't find your wallet, use the app to locate it. Can't find your phone? Use the tracker card to make it ring. And don't forget about the Grid backpack. Pack it like a suitcase with 180-degree easy access and carry it on your back. The exterior is water resistant and features waterproof zippers. There's a quick access compartment for 16-inch laptops and a small lined pocket to gently handle smaller devices or sunglasses. The Grid backpack has a water bottle holder, but also features an RFID proof pocket specifically made for Ekster's laptop power bank that allows you to fast charge up to 3 devices simultaneously, perfect for all-day filming. And right now, you can get up to 55% off your order. So if you're looking for a way to support the channel, be sure to check out their website using my link and use the code LackLuster at checkout for up to 55% off your order. Another big thanks to Ekster for helping keep this channel going. And now, back to our story, where Pinellas County deputies have just caught up to Officer Capouch.
We're walking.
Hey, dude, are you kidding me?
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait, hold on.
Put your hands behind your back.
Show me my badge.
Congratulations. I don't give a about your badge.
I'm sorry, what's going on?
Back up! Back up!
Is this a joke?
Guys, what's going on?
Are you guys serious?
Don't look like I'm joking.
Guys,
Do you guys have a real life on this beach?
Back up!
okay, what's going on?
Hey, back up.
Yeah, we chased him down to this trade winds. We're getting him in custody.
Guys, we're not doing anything. We're walking
Kate, back him up.
down.
I'm not gonna fucking deal with
Guys,
this.
what's going on?
Kate, back up, but don't talk to me.
No, we're good.
Guys, what's going
Hey,
on?
my pocket.
I don't give a about your badge, dog.
Guys, we're not.
Hey, dog,
we're not
ain't
bad,
talking
what's
about
going on?
fucking-
We're
Here,
walking
my
back to the
right
hotel.
here, dude. So we're a little fucking harder.
Guys, what's going on?
This is
For real?
fucking
Stand up.
I am standing up, dude. Jesus Christ, dude.
Guys, we're
Is this
walking
fucking
back to
real
the
life?
hotel.
Yeah, it's for life.
Hey,
Okay.
hey, stop. Hey, stop.
Guys,
Hold on a second, dude.
wait, what's he being watched for?
Disorderly conduct.
I was walking on the beach. Walking on the beach.
Talking with us like you're
Let me walk for a second, dude.
That's not what he said.
Okay, can we talk to him?
That's where we're going.
You guys are signing complaints here or what? What's going on here?
Huh?
God damn. This is a joke fucking job you guys have.
What's a joke? Is a job we have?
You
You should do the same thing, right?
guys recording here or what?
Yeah, I am.
Good.
Sure, if you're actually a cop, they're gonna love this one.
Guys, can we actually have a conversation or no?
You could back up.
I'm Friday
Kate.
Sunday.
Hey, just back up.
No, it's this one.
Which way are we going? I can't.
We're walking back right through the bar that you caused the scene at.
Okay, can we talk to the same man we're talking to?
You could back up.
What can we talk to the same man we're talking
Come
to?
on, hold on my fucking wrist, dude. Jesus Christ. My left wrist, my left wrist.
Guys, I'm
My
not
left one,
joking.
loosen my left one. That's it. That's
I
all I
want
want
to get to the car.
God damn.
Can you guys please stop? This is so.
Can you just shut up?
We're literally walking.
I
back to
have.
our
She have
fucking-
nothing. No part of this.
I am part of this because we're walking back to our hotel room and you guys stop us.
That's his name.
Yeah.
What were we doing on the walk back?
After I told you to stop and you kept running.
I tripped over a fucking cord.
Are you kidding me? You told me to stop. What are you talking about? Stop. Are you guys both fucking serious with your fucking dumbass job?
Can we talk to the same man we talked to?
This is a
Joe,
Man,
do I have to
just
keep
said-
repeating myself?
No, you don't. No, you don't, man. Big man.
I understand you guys, but I'm just asking.
Bro, just stop. Just shut up.
I am shutting up, dude.
We're gonna go straight
Holy
out. He's got.
You guys are dumbass idiots. Hey, Sarge, are you Sarge?
I am.
Hey, Sarge, I'm Chicago Police, just so you know, man.
Oh god.
Hope you guys have fun tonight.
Hey, is a confirmation 100%? Pissing in the ice bucket? Yeah.
In the ice bucket?
Yeah.
Is that my arrest right now? Is that a fucking
Disorderly conduct, yeah, and the license
Hey,
suspension.
in the ice bucket?
Yeah, sit down.
I am gonna sit down.
This is a joke. Sit down.
You're gonna push me here? You're the toughest guy I know.
Congratulations.
Right here. Look at you.
Yeah, your fucking precinct would be real proud of you.
It's the 4th precinct, 100. It's
Yeah.
140%.
Yeah, I'm sure they'd be real proud of you.
Are you fucking kidding
Sit
me?
down. Sit down. You stand up like that again, you're gonna get fucking tased. Think I'm fucking playing. Yo, bro,
I'm sitting on the fucking bench.
bro, you're about to get fucking dumped.
I'm sitting on
You
the
keep
bench.
fucking up like that, bro.
I'm sitting on the bench, man. Jesus Christ.
Big
What
bang,
are
man.
you talking about?
That's just sit on the bench, dude. Sit on the bench, bro.
You keep puffing your chest up.
I'm sitting on the
Back up.
bench, dude. I'm sitting on the bench.
Hen, just sit on the bench. Henry, look at me.
Sit on the bench, Sarge. Hey, Sarge.
Henry.
You want my ID yet?
Oh, I don't care about your badge, dog.
Dog? You want my ID yet or what?
We'll get there.
Alright. Just over there. Stand over there.
Can you back up, please? He's under arrest, man. Please.
He is. She's standing here.
Okay, I'm gonna ask her to back up.
I am.
Guys, this is not a thing.
I understand. Can you back up, please?
I know you guys are young and other jobs. This is not a thing.
Can you back up, please?
I am.
Can you back up, please?
You're not listening to a lawful order. Back up.
Guys,
Right now it's
this is not a
obstruction.
thing.
You want to get arrested
It
for
is a
obstruction?
thing.
Kate, he's right. It's obstruction. Stand
Guys,
back.
this is really not a thing, though.
Hey, ma'am, can you please just back up?
Hold on a
standing
second.
Right here.
Man, I'm talking to my fucking girlfriend here,
And I don't care, and I'm giving her a lawful order to back
stand
up.
back. Stand back.
Guys, this is really not a thing. You have
It is.
other things to
Kate,
do.
Kate, stand back. These guys got a serious fucking problem with me for no fucking reason. Stand back.
You're going to jail for disorderly conduct. You can't be drunk, piss in ice buckets, yell at security,
Piss
get in
in
our
ice
face.
buckets, stand up to security guards.
Wait, stop.
Let me see your fucking proof here.
Guys,
Show your fucking
guys,
badge.
watch
Show your fucking thing
Right here.
It is right fucking there.
Bro, if you stand back up, what are you gonna fucking do? Sit down!
You're gonna throw me down again?
Sit down!
Buddy.
It's right here.
Buddy. Alright.
Stop.
Good. Is this the Tampa Bay police?
It's the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office.
Pinellas? It's the what?
Bro, sit the f down!
You keep pushing my face on the wall here.
Yeah, if you keep standing up.
Face on the wall here.
Have I showed any
Back up.
resistance?
Yes, you keep.
Back
Have
up.
I showed resistance?
You're about to get arrested for obstruction.
Back up.
I'm not kidding.
Hey,
I'll give you
Sarge.
plenty of opportunity.
Hey, Sarge.
Henry, stop.
Sarge.
Hey, partner, I need you to relax for a second, okay?
Henry.
But listen to me. Listen to me.
Henry.
I've been here for a few minutes. You've been nothing but yelling. Relax.
Henry,
Our body
stop
cameras are
right
on.
now.
Just relax.
Henry.
You guys are not making things better for yourself.
Henry.
One thing at a time. Young lady.
I'm definitely not yelling. Kate, back away. I'm definitely not yelling.
Just stay seated, and I won't have to assist you back down every time.
Assist me back down?
Yeah.
Henry,
Have I been
stop.
screaming, acting like a crazy?
Yeah, you've been acting like an asshole the whole time.
Stop. You're not a fucking
Yes.
shithead.
I don't believe you're a shithead, bro. I think you just drank too much alcohol and made bad decisions
Yes,
tonight.
100%.
Yeah.
Stop, Henry.
I hate doing this to people that wear the same uniform, right? But you make stupid decisions. This is what we have to do.
You're not helping matters. Okay.
Listen, I'm being serious, bro. I hate to do this to people,
Am I talking or no?
but I'm trying to get it through to your
Am I
head.
talking or no? Am I fucking talking or no?
Go ahead. Keep getting louder.
Want me to get loud? You're egging me on like I'm talking.
Stand
I
up.
ain't.
We're gonna put you in the back of the car.
Go ahead. Put me there. I'm not talking. You fucking yelling at me like I'm talking. I'm not talking. Jesus fucking Christ.
The deputies eventually put Henry into their cruiser.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you when you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to you, represent you before any questioning if you wish.
Sergeant, you guys
You can
serious?
decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights that I've
You
explained
see
to
what
you?
he said? You see what he said? You hear what he said right there? I know you heard what he said. I know you heard him.
I'm reading you Miranda.
I know you fucking heard him. I know you heard what he fucking said right in there. Yep, we're done here. We're done, right?
Hold on a second.
We're all done, right?
That's it.
They then collect witness statements.
So so Danny saw him peeing in the ice bucket. I'll wait till you, Danny came and got me, obviously. And I went in, he was still peeing in there.
So you saw him?
I saw him in there, yeah. But, so I told him, like, hey, bro, people use the ice out of here, those ice buckets. And he went back and forth with me or whatever. He started to come out. I told him he had to leave. He said, I'm walking out the front. I said, walk out the front or you go out the side or whatever. He's like, I go with it like I want to go. I'm like, okay, whatever, man, just get out of here, bro. And he turns around, pushes me, pushes Danny, comes up, steps up, pushes Danny. And I get up on him. I did grab his arm and grabbed his stomach. Like, bro, don't do this right now. His girlfriend screaming and stuff like that. Don't do it, whatever. And he started to walk out. So, and then he was just cursing at him and shit like that. He got off of my case. But he did pee in the ice bucket. I mean, Danny called 911. I wasn't going to do it, and I really don't want him to get in any trouble like that, any big trouble over that. But, I mean, it's on Danny, you know, because Danny made the call. I wasn't.
Did he make any other statements, like threatening to hurt you or anything like that?
Nah, he stopped. He stopped.
He wants to press charges for 38.
I don't want to press charges on him. I ain't gonna lie to you. I mean,
Okay, that's fine. That's not, but I mean, it's not okay for him to be pissing in an ice bucket.
Yeah, no, it's definitely not.
Because that's the shit you serve to people.
Right.
He's just gonna, he just,
Gotcha.
pretty much what you told me, he's gonna ask you again.
Yeah. I'm a bar back here. I was just going back to get some ice, and I see him peeing in the ice bucket, and I'm like, bro, what are you doing? He's like, what? Like, he acted like he wasn't doing nothing wrong. I'm like, okay. So that's when I got security. I went and got Jermaine over there, and then he's trying to calm him down and like, just go. And even the girlfriend, he was like in like fighting mode, and he pushed me a couple times, pushed him a couple times, verbally like cussing at me. It was just like, oh my god. Yeah, he must have been on something else too.
You're gonna drive me?
Yep, right next door.
You don't know where my girlfriend's going?
She's probably going back to the Serrano.
Where am I going?
I don't know. I'm just a taxi.
You're a taxi?
Yep.
Where the f is she going?
She's probably going back to the hotel.
Where the f am I going then?
To a different hotel.
What do you mean another fucking hotel?
Listen, dude, can
You're
you...
gonna slam on the brakes and put my fucking head on the fucking thing? I'm a fucking Chicago fucking police officer. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm fucking real, dude. Fucking, I know what the fucking run the name shit is. You're gonna fucking drive me around like a fucking moron?
You're going to the next...
No, f you, dude. Are you fucking kidding me with this shit? This is why the police is a big fucking problem. Because you. God damn it, dude. You're gonna drive me around like a fucking taxi? Are you fucking kidding me? You're a fucking Tampa Bay police officer.
Are you finished?
You're a goddamn fucking joke is what you fucking are. I'm a fucking Chicago fucking police officer. Yeah, you know what? We're recording. Press that fucking button right fucking. You see my fucking name? You see where I fucking live? Are you fucking kidding me? This shit. Open this fucking door right fucking now and get me the fuck out of here. You're a goddamn joke with your fucking 4 stars in your fucking collar. You're a fucking loser. Your big ass fucking earlobes. Fuck you.
Beach 12.
God fucking damn it, yeah. Call the fucking sergeant over here.
I'll be taking the dope mail back to Beach
you know what? I'm
Commerce.
fucking done with fucking you. You're a fucking joke. Hey, you know what? What's your name? I'm sorry. What's your name? What's your name? No, just answer that. What's your fucking name? I'm sorry. Hey, please. What's your name? Can you at least answer me that? What's your name is?
You're being so rude, man. You're being very rude. Why should I speak
I'm
to
not
you?
being fucking rude. Answer me your fucking name. Let me fucking see your fucking name with what it is. Let me hear your fucking name. I want to laugh at all you fucking morons while I get out of this fucking car. What's your fucking name? Answer me your fucking name, dude! Hey! Answer me your fucking name! Answer me it! Look at me in my fucking face! Turn fucking around and answer me my fucking face! Open this fucking door right fucking now. Open it. Open this fucking door. I'm laughing in your fucking face, moron. Open this fucking door. Open it! Open it! God, you guys are fucking joke. God, open the fucking door. I'm not gonna be a problem. I'm not gonna be a fucking problem. I'm gonna be a problem with my girlfriend.
This behavior continues for another half an hour.
This is a fucking joke. Is there someone in the passenger seat here? Can you look at me? Hey, look in the fucking mirror there. Can you tell me your name? Or is that like a violation of... Is that a civil rights thing, or I don't know? I don't know, because I'm so stupid. What's your name? You can't tell?
Chicago police officer Henry Capouch was charged with simple battery and disorderly conduct. The arrest report states that he was uncooperative, refused to obey commands, and actively resisted, but no charges of resisting arrest were filed. He was booked and bonded out for $650. But back in Chicago, he was relieved of his police powers pending the outcome of an internal investigation. It has been a year since this incident and no results of an investigation have been released. However, in January of 2023, just shy of 2 months after this incident, the Assistant State Attorney Amelia Hummel dropped the case, claiming that after the state attorney conducted an investigation, that the facts and circumstances didn't warrant prosecution. It does appear, however, that the Cook County State Attorney put Henry's name on the Brady list, and that is all the information available. But if I ever hear a status update, I'll be sure to let you know. A big thanks to Ekster for sponsoring this video. As the longest running supporter of my work, they've been a huge support in making what I do possible.